What is going on, guys? Today we are going to do an installation with the MazdaSpeed 3. It's been such a long time since we've done a modification. I think the last thing that we actually did on the Speed 3 was do the access port. So today we're going to be doing the JBR adjustable short shift plate with the counterweight, and then we're also going to be doing the shifter bushings as well, which sit where your shifter is, and we're going to be doing those bushings after we're done the shift plate. So basically the cool thing about this is that this is a universal thing. So you can do this on, I'm pretty sure, I don't know about the shift plate, but I know you guys can do the bushings, and I definitely would suggest doing the bushings if you guys have like really old cars. I don't think my car really needs it at this point, but it definitely, why not, right? Why not? So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna unbox this, and then we're gonna go ahead, take apart the car, put it in the car, have some fun, bang some gears. All right, guys, so here you guys have it, the JBR shift plate. You're gonna open it up, and they have, these are your solid bushings, which we'll be doing later. That's this is the short shift plate. I got it in black, nice glossy black. And then this is the counterweight. That's actually quite heavy, which is pretty nice. They all have JBR writing on it, which I am totally fine with. We got some pieces here for connecting, and then you obviously get your typical JBR sticker, and thank you for your business. So I'm gonna run you guys step by step on how to install this in your car. If you guys need instructions, they have instructions on their websites, but let's go ahead and get this installed. First, I'm gonna compare the old to the new so you guys can see what it looks like. And like I said, the cool thing about this is that it's adjustable. This is your adjustability right here. So when you go out this way, it's shorter, and when you go out this way, it's longer. So you know me, we're gonna be out here. Let's go ahead and install. Now guys, before we start the video, I need to inform you of one thing. You are going to need 4, if you have stock airbox, you will be doing this. You need to have 4 rubber grommets, just like this. They have to be a 1/2 inch in the middle. That's got to be the diameter, or I forget how math works. Inside needs to be a 1/2 inch. The whole entire diameter needs to be 1 inch, and it needs to be a 1/4 inch thick. This is required for your airbox to sit in, just like so, because it will interfere with the shift plate if you guys don't do this. So you guys need these. I just picked them up at my one of my hardware stores, and I got 6 of these. Like, here's just, it's long, it's very long throw, like it's pretty long. So like I said, it still feels solid. I don't think those solid bushings are gonna do much, but anyways, here's comparison of old and new. Alright dudes, so start by taking your attachment piece and putting it wherever you want on the short shift plate, either from shortest to longest. Start by taking your engine cover off. Then we're going to take the MAF sensor plug out of the MAF housing. Go ahead, unbolt the clamp that holds the hose into the air filter, and then unbolt where the air filter box is held into the plastic piece there. Go ahead and tug on the bottom of it a few times. There is 2 places where it held in. You just go ahead and tug, come out. You're going to want to go ahead and remove the original weight that is on the shifter. Next up, take needle nose pliers. Go ahead, pry off the connection. Go ahead and put your new short shift plate right on top where it sits. There's a little ball and a little hole in the shift plate where it will sit nicely. Go ahead and take the 2 Allen bolts that you got with your package. Go ahead and attach the new shift weight to those, and then tighten those down so that they are secure. Make sure to add the washers, the lock washers as well. Then you're going to want to go ahead and attach the shift connection to your plate, and then you're done with the whole plate. You can start putting it back together, starting with the grommets. Throw your airbox back in, throw your bolts back on. Make sure to put your MAF plug back in. Make sure all the tubes are tight, and you guys are done your installation. Alright guys, so now since the short throw has been in, it's funny because it doesn't oh boy. So we're going to be doing the solid bushings now. So in order to do this, we are going to take the shift knob off, and basically what we're gonna try and do, this is a lot bigger than the Mazda 3s. We got it, there's rubber bushings that sit right here, right there, and right there as well. Basically our objective is to pop them out, and then put the metal ones in, and then we're gonna put a washer on top, I believe. So basically all we have to do is take out these 4 bolts. They are 10. Like I said, we're gonna pop out the old washer, put the new one in, put the flathead on, put the flat washer on top, and then bolt them all back in. But as you guys can see, I mean, this is very minimal. My shifter plate doesn't move that much, very little bit. But like I said, if you guys have like an older car, then it helps quite a bit. I did this on the Mazda 3. And then for the one in the corner right here, you're gonna need a wobble extension because the cable's in the way unless you want to pop it off. Now this whole thing comes out, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab a flathead. So I just got all the bushings out. For these two, you can use a flathead, and then for the ones in the back to get the metal sleeve out, you have to use, what I used needle noses, pulled the sleeve out. So now what we're gonna do, so you got 4 bushings that look like this. So what you're gonna wanna do is they're gonna go in like this. So they're gonna go from the bottom up. So you guys can see this one right here. So you're gonna go under. I'm just gonna slide this in. So the issue with these bushings is that they don't like sit in. So I had issues with this with the Mazda 3 because I actually did do it right. You basically gotta like just position them all correctly and then have the plate, like just put the plate down, because like I said, these don't snap in. So when you take this out next, say you're doing a short throw or something like that, then you're definitely gonna need to watch out because these will come out. So I'm gonna try and do the fronts first. Flip it like that, put one in, put another one in, flip it like that, and they're all good. So now what you do is you chuck in the washer. Now I'm gonna take my bolts and put them back in place. I already lost that one. Okay, so I just tightened them all down and like literally put a lot of effort into it, and the base does not move at all. And that's feeling hella solid, dude. This combo is nuts. So I'm gonna put this back together. I'm gonna go for a drive, see how this feels, see if I like it. Yo guys, I cannot, yo watch. Whoa! Dude! My throw is like, dude, my throw is like nothing. There is no throw anymore. Watch this. Dude, like I shifted into second, my first second shift. I'm like, what? Watch this guys, watch this. Straight up, watch this. Ready? Done. Ready, I'm gonna do third. Done. Wait for fourth. Done. Dude, what the hell? Dude, it literally cuts my shifting in half. More than half. This is ridiculous. Oh my god, I've never been such excited about such a cheap mod before. This is ridiculous. This is honestly ridiculous. Like, downshifting is K. What the hell, dude? Oh my god. Alright guys, that's the video for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And also, last video, if you guys haven't already checked it out, make sure to. I'm giving away these Hello Horns. If you guys want to win these Hello Horns, check out the last video, learn how to win them. I'll be doing the giveaway at 4,000 subscribers, and we're pretty close. If you guys have any questions, comments, leave them down in the comments below. But other than that, that's basically how you do it. Like I said, I think it's worth it. Like $150 Canadian, shipped to my house, and I got the solid bushings and I got the short shift plate with the weight, and dude, it's so good. Like, it's honestly like, it's still like, it got rid of quite a bit of the notchiness from just having like the cable like linkage setup that the Speeds do. It's still there, like not as horrible, but like you can still tell, right? But like it's so short, dude. It's nuts. Like my first to second's like, am I in gear? But anyways guys, that's that. So other than that guys, keep it real. I'll see you guys in the next one. Go win some Hello Horns. Peace out.